Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Dear brothers, March 31, 2019. Upcoming Sunday, the Kottakkal city is going to witness another historical moment. Yes, the legend of an era, Qutbuz-Zaman Sheikh Yusuf Sultan Shah Qadri Chishti, who departed on 25 January 2019 after took tireless effort for establishment and propagation of Holy Tawheed. His memorial conference is going to be held at Kottakkal city under the title of The Renaissance Does Not Stop. Qutbuz-Zaman introduced lessons of human amity and religious friendship throughout the world. Moreover, he left us by giving the spiritual ways to success here and hereafter. The most introduced way by Qutbuz-Zaman is taking oath in Holy Tawheed. It is going ahead without fading its shine through his sons and representatives. His life and end are great exemplary for us. Qutbuz-Zaman, who led full of his life in Holy Tawheed, left this world by chanting Holy Tawheed again and again, bringing his memories, introducing his messages. A grand meeting going to be conducted at Kottakkal city on this Sunday. Members of Gausiya Sunni Jam'iyatul Ulama, Khalifas and other prominents will take part in this ceremony. So, Jilani Study Center, Malappuram District Committee warmly welcomes you into this great conference. Thank you.